Hey, what's up everybody, I'm Jay, and today we're unboxing the brand new iPhone XS Max. Honestly, like, this phone is already, it looks just big in my hand already, bro. And this is in the box. I mean, this is exciting. I've been waiting to do this for a long time. This is exciting, and I'm really happy about it. So, yeah, let's get into it. Let's take a moment. Let me do like an ASMR of unboxing this iPhone. Honestly, this is the best part. I don't even know how to do an ASMR, but this is the best part. So I'm just gonna do this right here. Let's just see. I don't know if that was a great ASMR. Anyways, you can tell right off the back that they have the phone here, and it's amazing already right off the bat. Anyways, let's start unboxing this. Let's get right into it. Alright, bet, so let's get into this right here. Let's start unboxing. Ooh. Classic design in Apple. Oh, designed by Apple in California. Perfect, honestly. Gonna get just a little tiny manual real quick. Let's see. Okay. So it is. You get the stickers, of course. Classic, of course you get the stickers. What is this? Oh, that's to take out the SIM card or whatever. Paperwork. There's the phone. Let's hold off on that real quick. Ooh. Of course you get your adapter, and then the headphones, and of course the power cord. Okay, that's everything in the box. I'm a little pressed right now. I definitely don't see a dongle. Apple, what's going on, bro? Where's the dongle at? I guess we don't get a dongle. Okay, I guess you gotta pay for it. What are they, like $9 or so, something like that? Anyways, let's peep this phone, bro. This is the main thing. This is why we're here. Let's take this off real quick. Oh, I'm not even gonna turn it around yet. I don't even want to see the back yet. I just want to undo it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Alright, the fingerprints. Oh my gosh. But honestly, this phone is just amazing. You can see my reflection in here talking. That is amazing. Oh, this phone is so reflective. Look at that. You can see my camera in it. That's how crazy this is. Yeah, this phone is amazing. Let's see. We're gonna aim it so you can at least see. I feel like that the video definitely cannot do it justice, because this gold honestly is so much better than like the golds that they had like on like the older phones, or like those like rose golds that they were having. This is amazing. Look at that from the side. Okay, I really like this. That is so cool. So Apple released like 3 colors, and they released the space gray, the gold obviously, and then the silver, I believe. That's what it is, yeah. And this is amazing. I love it. I love it. Classic iPhone. I love it. This camera's gonna be so cool. Honestly, what I got, this is the 256 gig. At first I was thinking, I was like, shoot, do I need the whole 512? I was like, I don't think I would need that, because I feel like most people usually don't need phones that big, to be honest. I just want to see. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Let's go into the wallpapers real quick, and let's go. We want to see live. But let's just start with this one. I think this could be really cool. Look at that! Oh my god, that is so cool. Let go, it goes right back. Oh, that's awesome. Let's see this one. This is the one that looks like it's on our box right here. Let's see how this one looks. Yeah, okay, that is amazing. I like this so much. I think this is it the same one? Yeah, this is the same one. I'm looking at it right here. Yeah, this is the same one. I'm like, yeah. Okay, let's see this one. Ooh, okay, this one is really colorful. I like this one. That is awesome. How long can it go? Okay, like that, and it goes all the way back. Oh, that's awesome. I want to do it again. Let's do it again. Oh, that's awesome. I want to actually set one of these. I might just do this one because I think this one is really cool. I'm gonna set this for right now. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have so many more live photos that you can use. Set as lock screen. But let's close it out. There we go. Hey, that is awesome. And you just swipe up. Okay, enter the password. Bet, that is awesome. Alright, bet. Oh, I have to download all my apps. Jesus. I have so many apps on here. Bet they already got the snap and everything ready. Oh, no, they don't. Oh, wow. Anyways, wow. Thank you guys for watching. This has been an unboxing of the new gold iPhone XS Max. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.